Hey there, welcome to another small project. I played around with the GoPro settings, so I actually went down to 30 frames per second and I also adjusted the shutter. So hopefully it's not flickering as bad as last time. And what we're gonna be doing today is making a wall attachment for the old man plaster face. And we are also gonna attach a Cuban succulent to it, so it's gonna look like a pineapple head. So let's get started. I already prepared a few parts. I think that's it. And this is gonna go on here. And this is gonna go on the wall, so it's gonna go on like this. And here I'm gonna attach this little thing, so the face is actually gonna look a little bit downwards, and I already cut in the right angle. I'm not sure what it is, but it looked good for me. Oops, that thing just broke right here. That was kinda scary. Yeah, I guess we're back at fighting, so let's switch. Now it comes down to the part which I really do not like, so we have to drill 4 holes into the plaster, and I'm a little bit scared because it might break, so I think we really need to take it slow here. So yeah, I'm just gonna mark the holes and then I'm gonna start drilling and we're gonna see how it goes. My GoPro just froze, so I really hate that thing sometimes. Now I'm gonna cut the threaded rod about here, and yeah, after that I'm gonna glue it in. As you can see, the bolts are everything but straight down. They're like all over the place. So what I need to do in order to get the blade off and on again, I need to increase the size of the hole, and then I'm just gonna use washers, and they're a little bit too small, so I'm just gonna make a bigger hole in them. that is exactly the reason why you should clean your surface before welding. Stupid me. Last time I clear coated everything outside and was too cold, and it wasn't transparent but more like milky whitish. So this time we're gonna clear coat everything inside and it's gonna smell horrible, but yeah, hopefully it's gonna work better than last time. Yeah, sometimes the screwing thing just needs to be bigger. Thank you for watching the video. I had my fun. Did it make sense? Well, sometimes, but sometimes also not, because I used 4 M10 bolts and probably M4 could have done the same thing. And I also used big weld seams, and I just could have used weld spots, but it definitely helped improving my welding skills. So yeah, I had my fun and thank you. Bye.